Morning, Dolly. I gotta go. No, I gotta go. I gotta get in the truck and go. Well, both of you guys want to come with, but I can't take you. See, yeah, no, it's not how this is gonna work. All right, let's go back to the house. Maybe I can trap you up there. Come on. Come on, Dolly. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on, Dolly. Come on, Dolly. Come on, Dolly. Come on back to the house, Dolly. Come on. Come on, Dolly. Here, Dolly. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. You have to stay here, too. Come on, Dolly. Can you call the chicken up? She came bursting out from under the house and was like, I'm coming. Uh-oh. Kara, can you go in the house, please?
Come on, guys.
Oh, thank you.
Come on.
All right, see you later.
Goodbye.